LFG Society, why start it? What is it? You put so much time and energy into this with the intention of helping others. It's what, I mean, anyone involved in it would agree with that. What is Arjun getting out of this? Like, he's pouring into all of us and this whole community of people for what? Like, what does he get out of it? And I just think it's the coolest thing ever. So for somebody listening that's an entrepreneur, and again, this podcast is not for just real estate. It's not just for lending. It's for somebody who just wants to have more success in their life. And that could be a 9-to-5 job that they love and they just want to find more fulfillment from it, whether they want to become an entrepreneur, whether they want to scale a business, but also find peace and happiness while doing that. So talk about your society and what it means to you, why you started it, and give some information for somebody who may be interested in it.
So it started, and the reason why I do, and that's really kind of you to say that, man. I appreciate it.
I mean it, really.
I mean, look, what I get out of it, to kind of fast forward, is seeing all the great successes or barriers or the detachment from limiting beliefs that everyone around me eventually breaks from and accomplishes something, right? Because it really comes down to, man, this definition I heard of what it means to be a good friend. To somebody. I'm not a good friend to you simply because I did stuff for you or you did stuff for me.
Right.
If you feel better about your life or about what you're doing or feel more inspired or more optimistic or just more full of light as a result of having spent time with me, then I'm a good friend. And you're a good 100%. Friend to me if I leave those interactions like that. The society is really about that because everyone, and it's not me, it's everyone in it. You're a part of it too. Like, everyone feels kind of lifted up from the interaction they have, even though it's limited. 95% of our interaction is all virtual. Every, maybe once or twice a year, some of us get together for events like this, and we're going to change that because there's so much magic when we're actually three-dimensionally present. But I wanted to create something that would have that kind of a feeling for people. The one that they could be seen, they could be acknowledged, and they would have the opportunity to have others believe in them. Because that's powerful for anybody at any stage in life, no matter how successful or aspiring to be successful they are. If they're around people that believe in them and see them for what they are, there's literally no cap on what can be accomplished. So that's what I get out of it. What I get out of it is really watching that in other people, because it fills my cup up. I feel high level of fulfillment by me being there to support. I'm no super person. Like, it's not like I'm doing anything, but if I help in some way or steer by way of a conversation, then I've done my role and my job as a member of society. No pun intended. I mean, it is the society, but I mean like society at large. And that's what I feel like the whole human experience is all about. So that's why I started. That's why I continue to do it. It's open to anybody. Like, we started as a group predominantly made up of marketers and real estate and lenders, because the event where we launched it at, that's all there was in the audience. Since then, what I'm really excited about is there's a lot of like agency owners, there's creatives, there's athletes, there's college students, there's people that are in transitional points of their life in terms of career and they just want community. And that to me is the beautiful thing. So it's continuing to grow and get more and more dynamic, more wide ranging. And my hope for it over this next year and in the following years is that it just continues to do that.